The Mammafong Hand Hammered Wok is like a trusted friend in your kitchen. It is a large, 16-inch pan with a flat bottom. This means it sits very well on your stove, whether it's gas or electric. The wok is made from traditional carbon steel. There are no chemical coatings on its surface, which is a big plus. It feels very authentic, like the woks used for generations. You can have many cooking adventures with this pan. This Mammafong Hand Hammered Wok comes pre-seasoned with natural oils. This creates a surface that is somewhat non-stick right away. Over time, and with use, it will get even better. You will build up layers of seasoning, like the rings of a tree, each one adding flavor. This process, called building a patina, makes your food taste even more amazing. The wok heats up quickly and evenly, which is important for stir-frying. This helps you get that special wok hay taste, a smoky flavor that makes restaurant food so good. Consider the Mammafong Hand Hammered Wok a solid investment for your cooking careers at home. While the price might seem a bit higher than some other pans, the quality and the authentic feel make it worth it. Many users give it good ratings because it's well made and performs nicely. Just like finding a reliable pharmacy, you want a wok you can depend on. This wok aims to be that for your stir-fry needs. It's a simple yet powerful tool for creating delicious meals. Pros: large cooking space, no chemical coating, hand-hammered, authentic style, flat bottom, suits all stovetops, heats up fast, even heat, durable build. Pre-seasoned. Cons: can burn food at the bottom, cannot do true circular flip, herky-jerky skillet motion, bottom may warp over time, uneven heating possible, hard to clean reported by some, requires seasoning. Upkeep, not dishwasher safe, handles can get hot, takes up storage space. Features: large 16-inch size, flat bottom design, traditional carbon steel, hand-hammered, authentic wok, stir-fry pan, POW wok style, no chemical coating, durable material, good for high heat. The Mammafong 16-inch wok is a large, flat-bottomed pan made from traditional hand-hammered carbon steel. This authentic POW wok is designed for stir-frying and other high-heat cooking. It has no chemical coatings, is made of durable material, and its flat base makes it stable on stovetops. This wok is good for cooking at very high temperatures. The Mammafong 16-inch flat-bottom wok is a hand-hammered, traditional carbon steel pan designed for stir-frying. It has no chemical coating and offers a large cooking area that heats up quickly and evenly. Built to be durable, it comes pre-seasoned, though this might not fully prevent food from sticking initially. While it's suitable for all stovetops, its flat bottom makes true circular flipping difficult, favoring a herky-jerky skillet motion. Some users find it hard to clean, and it requires regular seasoning. Also, it's not dishwasher safe, the handles can get hot, and it needs significant storage space. The bottom might also warp over time, and uneven heating is a possibility.